So let's talk about NAKD today. We have a pre-market almost 6% up, and I know it's like the moment I saw the 6%, it hit our resistance and we got a bit of rejection. Now the price is where we'll go. This is really important for this week because the beginning of any week, this is a set incentive to for the prices to go from today until the end of this week. So this is really good, important prices for Monday to see where the market will go. Before we go to see the charts, please like and subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me where we hunt exactly for the right price value, and be patient and let's hunt for exact price value. So hit the notification, like and comment, subscribe, and let's get right to it without further ado, without BS, without editing, straight to the information. So let's get right to it. And as we can see here, guys, we now at 0.67 or 1% almost up, but look with me, this is really clear indication of rejection, because the moment we open today in the market, look with me closely, guys, we got our rejection here in a smaller time frame, and we see the clear rejection that happened exactly at the 51, because this is really important level to test for the price for NAKD, as the smart money do always. They test the market here exactly. This price really important. We have to look for this price at 0.51 exactly, or 0.5086. This is important level when we get tested, because the market maker test the price if it's genuine and there is like a supply for this price or not. But we got a lot of selling pressure, that's why we got drop and we close below. And the other thing we gonna indicate here, if we go back at the 15th of April, we got our rejection again at our exponential moving average, and this is and this one again at the 14th of April. So this is a clear indication that the market maker always tests before we ever go any lower. And now let's go to the big picture to just see before we go at the price where we'll go. This is really important to see the prices and different level of charts timing. So small chart to give us indication for today and maybe tomorrow, and big chart to see if there's some pattern at the same like the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart have the same pattern, and this will give us more strong signal. So as we can see here, yeah, as we can see the small time frame actually agreeing with the big time frame, and we can see the rejection at 0.50, around the 0.50 before the 0.51 actually. And this is frankly not looking good, because now the resistant area went from the 0.85, as I show you in the previous video. I told you when we get a closing candle here, we're gonna see the price go exactly at the 0.46, and that's what we did precisely here, you see, guys. And we did the video, hopefully you saw it, at the 12th of April when we dipped here. I told you guys, if we got a candle closing down, we're gonna see the price to go to 46. Now the most important thing, we don't care about the BAS. The BAS just give us a bit of indication, but what we worry about now is where the price will go from today. This is really important. Now I told you the price been transitioned, the resistance been transitioned from this level at 0.58 at the beginning of April. Now in the middle of April, the resistance now at 0.50 before the 0.51, and now the price going to test again the 0.46, and really important level, guys. This is really important level, because if we break it and we have a clear indication for sign, always we wait for confirmation to see the sign before we get our like the price that will go to. So the first indication that we're gonna see the lower prices for naked, I can see the price will go down. First we're gonna test this area at 0.46, really important. The moment, guys, the moment we close below the 46, around the 45 here, really important, around the 45 or 44, big indication that we're gonna see this price, guys. Oh, let me clear it for you with the highlight. This guy here at 0.36, really important. This where we're gonna see the smart money coming in and buying again at this level. So be careful, because now we got our rejection here. We're gonna test the 0.46. If we have a closing candle around the 44, as I told you, closing candle, we have to see a closing candle. Sometimes we get a rejection and fake out. What's mean a fake out? Good question. This mean like a candle not closing, but there's just a wick going down at the 44 and then going up and closing above the support. We don't this is a fake out, and this mean we're not going to see the 36, but just the market maker test the price before they go down, as happened here. They test the market up, and there's a clear indication there's the price is not, the price value is not over there, and the resistance level is lowered at the 0.51. They're smart. They never actually trade with gambling. They just test and they see the market initiative or behavior before they buy and take the price higher. So as I told you, if we got the price closing below here our support at 0.46, around the 44, we're gonna see the price at 36. The other indication, if we hold the 0.46 and we test again this the 0.50, we need this time to go up above the 0.51, and we hold above the 0.51. And as we can see here, our exponential moving average is getting lower. So by the time we go to test again, it will be acting as a resistance again here at 0.51. So be careful from this, because before we test again the 0.58, and this is the good indication, if we go to 0.58 and we clear it, and we have our exponential moving average as acting as elastic to push us above. This is a perfect scenario when we have our exponential moving average going down, but we going up, and we'll break this exponential moving average and we bounce from it to give us more momentum to overcome the 0.85. This is the good indication, and we close above. This is the way that I can see that naked going to higher. This is the only choice for us. Other than that, we're gonna see here the other price, lower price. I told you guys, the other one, the other sign we need, as I told you, to see this 58 after we bounce from the expression of an average. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video. I always told you guys, never panic, always be ready for everything. So set your risk management, never have emotion. The moment you have emotion with everything, not in trading, because trading taught me a lot, when you get emotional in anything, you will never actually have a way of thinking, clear thinking. You be clouded with emotion, and you can this kind of snowflake effect, and you can make bad choices over bad choices and never end. This is like a never ending cycle. So whatever you make a mistake and you get emotional, just stop trading. This is the most important thing. The most important thing is not making many trade. The most important thing is make one trade but it goes to the moon. This is what you want. Is all a probability, but if you make more trade and you just make one trade wrong or two, this is will multiply. This is a proven fact. It happened to all of us, and it happened to you, it happened to me. So the best way is to learn from your mistake, be patient, stay on the sideline. If you make two trade wrong trade on the row, and clear your mind why you take this trade. Are you FOMOing? Are you just get in without actually asking your question when I get out or where my stop? This is really important. I'm gonna do like the second course for my trading course for the next weekend, so stay tuned for that. I will clear everything out about the prices, where to buy, where to sell, how to set this stop loss and everything. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe as I said always, and in the meantime, be patient and let's hunt.